So a few people said that this one here, which I showed a couple of videos ago, is good size for an Altoid tin, but too small for a pack. So I found this one on Thingiverse, and what you do is you have like a little wedge here, which holds it in place, and then you just kind of pull it up from the bottom. You can hear it's very nice, secure, and you have a larger spool for thread, and then you have your needles inside there. So that was a good idea. And this spreads out into other things, like people were saying, what else can you do? Well, I printed off some tops for lighters. Look like this. I need to snap on top, and that'll stop your lighter from going off in your bag and wasting gas. So all this, is a good idea. People say that, it's a waste of plastic, but then don't forget that we had a lockdown, we couldn't leave the house. And with this, at least some of this, you can print some stuff at home and, still get jobs done, or if you need something, you can make it yourself. Let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. Thanks for watching, and catch you next video. Bye.